Oh, I am like super excited to talk about this thing. We have something exclusive in the house, and guys, this is not something you people get to see every day. So, this is the next generation of OLED TVs and also the world's first Pantone validated quantum dot OLED TV from Samsung. Samsung has recently announced this model in the Indian market. It's called the S90C and it's available in like multiple size variants, goes up to like 77 inches. We have the 65-inch 4K TV in the house, and I'm like super hyped up, to unbox and show it to you in this video. It's got like crazy features on board, and especially gaming related features are highlighted, guys. It's got like 144 Hz high refresh rate and all the gaming features you might be looking for. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So guys, our brand new Samsung 4K OLED TV came in this sort of box packaging. The model we'll be checking out today, as I've told you, is their all new S90C, and it's available in like different sizes. You get from 55 inches to all the way up to 77 inches. Today in the house we have the 65-inch variant of this 4K quantum dot OLED TV, and it packs like next gen features which I'll be talking about in this video. As soon as you unbox it, at the top you have some paperwork. It's an installation guide, make sure to read that. And these are your TV stands, sleek and have a beautiful design and come in a similar Titan black finish just like the TV. And wait a second, what is this? Looks like some sort of back cover for neat cable management and organizing. And guys, this is your special TV remote you're getting with this quantum dot OLED TV. It's a solar powered smart TV remote, so you never need to install batteries on this thing. I'll definitely give you a closer look and talk about this at a later part in the video. Lastly, you get a mains cord for the TV, and this is the base for the TV stand. It basically sits on top of the stand and gives a neat look to the overall TV design. Well, that's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally unbox and check out our massive 65-inch 4K quantum dot OLED TV from Samsung. Holy mother of tech, are you people looking at this? This is one of the slimmest TV we've unboxed in 2023. I mean, look at the thickness over there. Mind-boggling, guys. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. I've been using Samsung's S90C OLED TV at my place, and today I'll be sharing my complete experience on this model. There are so many things I'll have to share with you people. It's gonna be like a very interesting video, guys. Make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let's start off with the overall design and build quality. Samsung's S90C features this laser slim design, and my god, this OLED TV is like super slim from the side, guys. I mean, have a look at the side profile over here. The panel of the TV is only around like 3 to 4 mm. That is just the size of your 5 rupee coin, guys. Madness is what I can say. If you have a closer look at the panel as well, it's got a nearly bezel-less sort of experience. Not only on the sides and the top, but on the bottom part also has like very slim bezels. Gives you that rich and premium sort of feel. On the lower right corner of the TV, you've got a tiny Samsung logo, and at the center is where you have a tiny status LED indicator followed by some useful buttons. Here's how the TV stand looks like. Just have a closer look at that. Full metal stand at the center, guys, and has a premium brushed metallic sort of finish. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly turn over the TV and give you like a closer look at the connectivity ports and show you basically what's available at the back profile. So here's how the TV looks from the backside. Very neat and has a beautiful brushed metal sort of finish, and as I've told you guys, super slim design. This is the area where you can install that wall mounting bracket and easily wall mount the TV as well. Let me give you a closer look and show you the connectivity ports. Plenty of connectivity ports are available. You're getting 2 USB ports so you can easily connect storage devices even up to a TB, not an issue at all. Below that you have 4 HDMI ports, and mind you, all of these are HDMI 2.1 ports, but only HDMI 3 port supports EARC. On the bottom side, you're getting an optical out as well. Ethernet LAN port is there, and lastly an antenna port. And this is where you need to connect the mains cord to power on the TV. That's it. These are all the available connectivity ports on the S90C. And good thing is, as I've shown you guys, you're also getting like a neat back cover to hide all your cables and give a clean look to your system. So that was about the I/O and connectivity part. And there you go, boys. Here's how the home screen on the TV looks like. Now you people know, right? Almost all Samsung TVs are powered by their Tizen Smart operating system. And here's how the entire layout looks like. Now again, this is not something new for us. We've reviewed like so many Samsung TVs in the recent times. Crystal series, Neo QLED series, and now finally their OLED series. All of them have like similar layout and features. So as I've told you, here's how the home screen looks like. You've got plenty of apps over here built in, guys. All OTT apps came pre-installed over over here, like Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, Apple TV, everything is available. And apart from that, you're also getting like plenty of smart features as well. Like the TV comes with Samsung Smart Things integration, using which you can control all your smart devices at your home, guys, like from the TV only. Super convenient. And not only that, TV also acts like an IoT hub and works like an IoT sensor also. Like you can use it to control smart lights, you can use it like a IoT camera sensor, sound sensor, light sensor, and all of that stuff. I've already covered all of these features in like one of my recent Samsung TV review. For more details, you can check it out there. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube and a couple of OTT apps, play some content over here, just have a look at these video demos, guys, and then we'll come back and talk about the picture and sound quality of this TV. You people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, first of all, keep in mind that this is one of Samsung's top of the line OLED TVs, and there is nothing less you can expect over here. Now, again, you people know about OLED TVs, right? OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode and is completely different than your regular LED or even QLED TVs, guys, and offers far more superior picture quality. On top of that, this is not your regular OLED TV also. This is Samsung's Quantum Dot OLED TV. So on top of your regular OLED, this TV has like a layer of quantum dot nanoparticles on the front, and when light strikes these nanoparticles, they produce strikingly beautiful and vivid looking colors, and it takes your whole TV watching experience to the next level, guys, like nothing compared to your regular OLED TVs. There's great amount of picture quality. Now come on, it's like native 4K resolution at 65 inches. Everything looks crisp and clear no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like web series, movies, or even gaming. And not to miss out that superior 144Hz high refresh rate. We'll come and talk about the gaming features in a moment. If you talk about the contrast levels, black levels, now this is a QD OLED TV, guys, so obviously you'll have like deep black levels and near to infinite contrast ratio because of that OLED technology. And coming to colors, I've told you at the beginning, remember, right, this is the world's first Pantone validated OLED TV, so you'll get like very rich, accurate, and superior color quality over here. And I've watched like variety of content over here, guys, and color accuracy, color reproduction, and especially skin tones, right, everything were like on point and were like absolutely perfect is what I can say. Brightness of the TV is also like really good compared to your regular WOLED panels. This QD OLED panel offers like slightly higher brightness, peak brightness level, so it's like good even for your living room or any sort of environments. You can easily check out the picture. Yes, it does have anti-reflection coating, and viewing angles are also great. Picture look the same no matter from which direction I was checking out. If you talk about the HDR performance, this particular S90C supports HDR10 plus adaptive plus gaming, and you will absolutely enjoy watching movies or any sort of web series on these OTT platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and it's like a total blast, guys. You'll like fully enjoy the experience on this TV. And coming to the sound quality, our 65-inch variant of the S90C features 2.1 channel onboard speakers that can totally produce around like 40 watts of output. So you're basically getting like two downfiring speakers plus a woofer is also there, and decent sound quality, I can say. Samsung is also offering OTS Lite support on this model, and OTS stands for Object Tracking Sound. So this will give you like a much more natural and realistic sort of 3D surround sound effects when you're watching content or any sort of media on the TV. So that was my complete experience on Samsung's S90C OLED TV. Keeping that aside, I know you people have been waiting for this part. As I've told you at the beginning, I will be comparing this OLED TV with some of the nearest competitor TV from other brands in the market, and we'll be talking about like different points. So you people will get to know like what are the differences available in these models and which one is the best for your requirement and money that you're spending. First of all, let's talk about the panel technology that is being used on TVs. A lot of other brand TVs usually feature WOLED panels panel around this price point, and WOLED stands for white organic light emitting diode. But if you look at Samsung's S90C, I've told you, right, it takes things to next level. Here you're getting quantum dot OLED panel, guys, and quantum dot layer definitely like takes picture quality to a whole new level. So in this segment, Samsung definitely gets the point due to its newer technology and latest panel they are using. If you talk about the black levels and brightness, well, black levels is pretty much same on all the OLED TVs, guys, either it be WOLED or QD OLED. Main difference comes in the brightness. So in WOLED, what happens is, even though you're getting like infinite contrast ratio and deeper black levels, brightness, peak brightness was not that great if you compare it to like quantum dot TV. So that is definitely solved over here on the QD OLED technology, guys. On the QD OLED panel, right, brightness is much more superior than your WOLED TV. Moving on and talking about the colors, these are OLED TVs, guys, and you know, these are like flagship level stuff, models from all three brands, and there's nothing less you can expect over here. All the three TVs produce like rich and accurate colors, color reproduction, everything is like on point and accurate. But the major difference comes on Samsung's S90C. This, as I've told you, is the world's first Pantone validated TV, guys. So it's like much more accurate and is like factory color calibrated, guys. So it produces like realistic skin tones, which is like definitely plus point compared to the competition. If you ask about specific picture modes, maybe like filmmaker mode is available almost on all OLED TVs these days, but some brands do offer extra modes like IMAX enhanced, and Netflix calibrated mode is also available, which is not there in our variant. But S90C comes with eye comfort mode, which when enabled will reduces blue light, so it's like much more pleasing to your eyes when you're watching TV. Some specific brands do offer blue light reduction, but not all the models have them. So these were some of the major differences in the panel and picture quality. Now moving on and talking about the speaker setup, S90C features a 2.1 channel 40 watt speaker setup, and if you look at the other brands, every brand has their own audio configuration. For example, one might offer a similar 40 watt output but with a 2.2 channel setup, and other might offer a slightly more powerful 50 watt output with acoustic surface audio. So looking at this, competition slightly has upper hand in this segment. If you ask about Dolby Atmos, all these three models have Dolby Atmos support, but again Samsung slightly edges out the competition in sound segment also by giving some exclusive sound features. For example, you're getting OTS support over here. I've told you, right, OTS stands for object tracking sound and gives you like a much more realistic 3D surround sound sort of effect. There is no such feature available on the competition in this segment. And apart from that, here you're also getting something known as Q Symphony 3.0. So if you have like a Samsung compatible similar soundbar now which supports Q Symphony, both the soundbar and TV will synergize and give you like a much more enhanced audio experience when you're watching movies or any sort of content. Let's also talk about the gaming related features. Almost all the OLED TVs in the market offer a similar 4K 120Hz refresh rate, but Samsung's S90C offers a superior 144Hz higher refresh rate. So that definitely makes a difference, especially if you're like a PC gamer and you want to fully utilize your RTX 4080 or 4090 GPU to maximum level and you want to enjoy esport gaming as well, then this might be the one for you. Now keeping the refresh rate part aside and talking about other aspects as well, like auto low latency mode or maybe VRR, almost every OLED TV around this price point does come with these features, and you're also getting some game mode customizations and game mode optimizers as well, depending on the brand and the specific model. Over here you're getting a special game mode plus a game bar support is also there. Now I've shown you game bar 3.0 during Neo QLED TV videos, right? So similar features you can expect over here, and gaming features on Samsung TV is like much more superior compared to the competition, guys. You're getting plenty of features. First of all, you're getting FreeSync Premium Pro, so that greatly reduces any sort of screen tearing and ghosting effects and gives you like realistic gameplay moments without any sort of latency. And second thing is you're getting lots of customization. You can choose from different aspect ratios, go for like a super ultra wide mode if you want to enjoy gaming in that PC sort of experience, right? You can definitely do that. Plus you're also getting something known as mini map zoom. So a lot of games have these tiny maps to the lower left or right corner, right? In games you can actually select that part and enlarge it in a second separate screen, guys. So this greatly makes difference, especially for like esport gamers or maybe like competitive players over there. So we are done with display comparison. Audio segment comparison is also done and gaming segment is also covered. Only few things left are like, you know, SmartThings integration and stuff like that. If you ask about smart tech, basic features like voice assistant, wireless casting, all of these are commonly found in all the models. But on Samsung's S90C, you're getting Samsung SmartThings Hub integration. So using that smart things hub, you can control variety of smart devices at your home, all from this TV only, guys. Samsung is also having a special AI energy saving mode. So using this smart things only, you can actually check out how much energy consumption is happening, and based on that, AI energy mode will automatically save power and give you like best possible recommendations. And also, not to miss out, just like how you would say a Knox security on Samsung phones, right? Same thing is available on your TV also. Samsung's S90C features Knox security. So whatever data that you store on the TV is like fully safe. So compared to the competition, this one offers you like much more privacy and secure features as well. And last but not the least, this is that special remote I was talking about. It's a solar powered eco-friendly remote control and definitely looks quite premium. Look at the whole design over here. Compact, minimalistic, yet offers all the functions you might be looking for on a remote. Best part is you don't need to constantly keep replacing the batteries on this thing. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. I hope you people got like full understanding and all the information you might be looking for about this product. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the price, right? Samsung's S90C OLED TV pricing starts at around 1.6 lakh rupees for the 55-inch variant, and our 65-inch variant costs around 2 lakh 7,000 rupees. I'll leave links for all of these in the description box below. Plus, Samsung is also having their special big TV festival sale going on till 20th of November, and you're getting lots of offers, discounts and cashback offers as well on select models. Details for all these offers will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got full information about the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.